Hey besties, want glowing skin without spending money? Today I'm sharing 5 super easy home remedies using things from your kitchen. Let's go. Remedy 1: Coffee Yogurt Face Scrub. Take 1 spoon coffee powder, 1 spoon yogurt, mix well. Gently scrub for 2 minutes. Coffee removes dead skin. Yogurt makes it soft. Wash with cold water. Instant glow. Remedy 2: Beetroot Honey Lip Balm. Take a few drops of beetroot juice, half spoon honey. Apply on lips. Beetroot gives natural pink color. Honey keeps lips soft. Leave 10 mins. Remedy 3: Tomato Lemon Face Toner. Take tomato juice, 2 drops lemon juice. Dab on face with cotton. Tomato reduces oil and dark spots. Lemon brightens skin. Wash after 10 mins. Remedy 4: Aloe vera gel plus rose water. Mix 1 spoon aloe vera gel plus 1 spoon rose water. Apply as a night gel. Aloe soothes. Rose water gives glow. Wake up with fresh skin. Remedy 5: Yogurt plus honey face pack. Mix 2 spoons yogurt plus 1 spoon honey. Apply on face for 15 minutes. This hydrates skin and makes it super soft and glowing. That's it. Try these remedies 2 to 3 times a week and see the difference. Which remedy are you trying first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home remedy videos. Bye bye besties. See you in the next video.